Today we are changing some pads and rotors on this 2002 Honda Civic. Gonna need a 17 millimeter socket. If you turn the wheel like so, makes it easier to get to. Here's one bolt right here, right there, and then the other one is right here. Okay. Okay, now slide this bitch off like this. Sometimes it can be a little hard. Take the hammer, hit it there, pry it, become nice to it. I guess it's not that easy. Pad, still kind of decent pad, but on this car, we got some shitty bolts already. Let's see. Oh yeah, and this one too. Oh yeah, okay. These bolts right here, screws right here, can be a big pain in the ass sometimes if they get too stripped out. Somebody uses this too small of a bit on it, starts to strip out. Okay, kind of hit it around a little bit. It'll come off. I'm gonna take it. You want to clean it with some brake parts cleaner, throttle body cleaner, carb cleaner, because there's a layer of something on here that will cause your brakes to smell and not brake in properly. Kinda. Take your rotor, put it back on there. Make sure you got the holes where these screws lined up. You can put them half off, whatever you want to say. Now we're going to take this C-clamp here, and this caliper here, we're going to compress this you should do it right in the center of the piston so it goes in nice and even, but I didn't. Just kind of got it on there. However, sometimes it can be a little difficult, but yep, just compress that thing. Take your pad grease, you're going to take it, you're going to put it all over the side of the brake pad that's going to be in contact with the caliper, not the rotor. Just kind of rub it on there. Alright, there's one. Feed this side in first. This is what might make this part a shitty video. I'm not going to show you this part. Am I? Do these brake pads. You want to slip one side in as little as possible. 1, 2. Alright, that bitch is in. Okay, take your fucking caliper, put that shit back on there, and grab your damn bolts. Take those bolts, Put them in place. Okay. There's the top one. You should get the torque specs for these bolts. Because I'd be lying if I say I didn't have one try to fall off on me on the highway due to throwing it together like I am right here. You should get your torque wrench like so. You get the torque spec. You'd be smarter than me. Okay. Got those torque. Okay. Now, when you take off, you're not going to feel like you got any brakes unless you pump the brakes a few times, because you know how we compress that piston in. Well, there's still some space in there. So anywho, now you just throw the freaking tire on, lower it down, and call it good, man. Go have yourself a beer, you know, party with sluts, whatever you want to do. Clean up your mess, don't forget about that. View. Where we decide to work today.